Design in HRI to me means the application of design process and method towards better human-robot interaction.
We've had hundreds and thousands of years of thinking about machines that are autonomous, that can do things for us, that can work together with people. Design is our way of trying to kind of muddle through and figure out what this future might look like.
In a housing context, the robot could act as a community message board by roving around and telling people what others want and need and delivering supplies.
Maybe the robot could act as a kind of mental peacekeeper to help people feel a little less trapped.
The community sees the robot as a tool to transfer themselves elsewhere.
At universities or research labs, people sit down and design this, what they think is great. But we don't really have such solid scientific results of what people would like to interact with.
What design can bring in HRI is a new aesthetic or a new way of thinking about robotic systems in a way that is maybe more truthful to what they can actually do, and that they also integrate it better in our everyday life.
Going from a very well-crafted demo to a robust system that can work in the house is a huge challenge that we're trying to solve for years. Every family is different, every robot will have to be different, and how can we build that?
There's so many different conceptualizations of what design for HRI can be that we wanted to think further about what is the future roadmap, 10-year plan, and also think about what support do we need to make these visions become a reality.
And so this is why we brought in this design retreat experts around the world from the industry and academic perspectives to help shape that definition and perhaps even the future of what design for HRI can be.
It's hard. It feels like there's this desire to have the right answer, but also all these huge questions that feel insurmountable.
And it may very well be that the outcome of design is, the dismantling of something, that it is the repair of something. And those need to be viable outcomes for design.
I'm really excited that this event is even happening, that there are this many people who are seeing the importance of design in HRI. Traditionally, a lot of that has come out of engineering and science. We're going to see a lot more designers as well as psychologists, sociologists, anthropologists thinking about robots for our future.
My favorite was the very, very last session. We tried to see how we can communicate our own worries and visions for the future to other communities as well.
I was thinking about human-robot interaction in different ways, in a way that actually helped me get away from maybe some of the biases that I have.
What I would like for design is for the community to be thinking a little bit more about how we put together forward visions for what could be.
Through having these conversations, we can kind of have new ideas or question some of our assumptions and stereotypes. I think creating this community is going to be something that's really important for HRI in the future.